Hi, this is Gayle with BERNINA of Naperville, and I'm so excited to show you our Yaya machine here. This special edition Bernette 79 machine is perfect for cosplayers because it was designed by a cosplayer, and not just any cosplayer, but our beloved Yaya Han, who has an amazing career and an amazing repertoire of costumes and talent and knowledge. Her YouTube tutorials are awesome, so you'll have to check her out on YouTube. You also can check her out and BERNINA of Naperville out at Anime Magic. It's going to be at the Hyatt Regency in Rosemont, and that is August 18th, 19th, and 20th. We're going to have the Yaya machine specially priced, and this is the best part. If you buy a Yaya machine at our booth, you will get a signed Yaya book. I can't believe it. She was so generous to let us have some of her signed copies of the book. And not only that, but she has given us 2 costumes that are on display here at BERNINA of Naperville. They are really cool. I unboxed them. It was just like, the Scarlet Witch. I remember when she was making it and she used OESD, that's right, embroideryonline.com embroidery designs on it. Now, my dress form does in no way do it justice. You really need to see Yaya in this gorgeous costume, as well as her other one.
This other costume is totally cute. It's from League of Legends and it's a Star Guardian. Now Yaya has made 2. One of them is at BERNINA, but the other one is here at BERNINA of Naperville, the green one. And another thing that's really kind of cool, she has a pattern for this. And Yaya's patterns are really amazing because you can use them for so many different purposes, and to make them just a little bit more versatile. So bodysuits, things like that. But I just hope that you really enjoy coming to see them at the store. The craftsmanship on them is really amazing. And it's just like, you know, I'm a little starstruck here just looking at these really cool costumes.
And you can also come see the machine in action. We're going to be making some cute little makeup bags. I made the Obi inspired belt based on Yaya's tutorial that she has on the Bernette YouTube channel and on her own. And yeah, and she did a fantastic job of unboxing this machine, so there's no need for me to repeat it. Why don't you watch Yaya get excited as she unwraps her very special baby.
Hi, I'm Yaya Han, and we're here to unbox a sewing machine. It is my machine, the new Bernette 79 Yaya Han edition. Alright, let's go. This is the biggest box I have ever unboxed. We'll see how it goes. I can't even reach. Oh my goodness. Alright, put away the sharp knife. Let's see what we have in here. First of all, the packaging is so pretty, isn't it? We went with lavender, pink, because my colors are kind of pink and purple. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna take the first layer out. So let's take a look at the first tier. So first of all, this machine comes with the full version of the Creator 9 software. So this is an embroidery software that allows you to embroider just about anything. So you can literally import any photo, any image, any vector into the software, and it has an auto digitizing feature. You just click a button and it fills it in for you, and then you can edit it and alter it however you want. So for a cosplayer, for a fashion garment sewer, you literally can make any design that you want. So this is the game changer, having the software included with the machine, because usually softwares are like over $1,000, and my machine, because I have included the software, there's no more gatekeeping. Anyone can get into embroidery. That is what I wanted. I wanted us to have the full software included. And I'm so proud. I'm just so excited that we get to show everyone this is how you get into embroidery. And I also love my little like presser feet accessory box. So these are additional presser feet that we selected It has my picture in there too. And it's like just super cute how it's set up. All the cute presser feet in there. Here's a non-stick foot for like vinyls and such. And there's an edge stitch foot that's like my favorite because it lets you stitch super close and do like a really, really neat top stitch. All the things that you need to make beautiful garments. And then we, of course, included 3 different sizes of embroidery hoops. I will show you these hoops more later, but this is how big the biggest hoop is. I mean, this is massive. You can embroider a really big piece on here. Now we have some little accessories that are very important, all the different additional presser feet. We have a second bobbin plate, another pressure plate. There's a lot going on here for sure. Now I'm gonna try to get the machine out because it's a little bit of a beast. I probably have to put the box on its side. It's so pretty in there. We're gonna take this out first. So this is the cover for the machine. This is another plate, so you have like even more area to sew on. This is great for like bigger pieces of fabric. Okay, I'll try to get the embroidery module out and then the machine. This is the embroidery module that hooks onto the machine. And I love that we have a purple bar. Okay, look at my beauty. Here, if we can take off this. I always love doing like the plastic off. And it opens up. Here's where you put like your spools and everything, and then it comes with a little pen because this is actually a touch screen, so we're gonna turn it on in a second and I'll show you how pretty it looks. But I love that it comes with like a little pen. It's really fun. Okay. We definitely thought long and hard about the design of it. I really love, you know, honeycomb, hexagon shapes, and we went with complementary colors, so blues and purples and such, and of course like purple is my favorite color, obviously. And so I'm really happy that we were able to make the machine so colorful and have like a nice futuristic design. And then we have this big stitch plate that comes with like these feet that pop out, which I think are pretty cool. And this snaps on, so you have like this huge area to sew on, and I think that's really cool. It's really important for me whenever I sew a skirt or a cape or anything to have that extra area. It's like, makes you feel like you're doing it professionally. We took a minute to reset, so now you can see everything that comes in the box. Very nice big box. So this is the unboxing of my Bernette B79 Yaya Han edition. We're gonna have another tutorial video where we show you some of the items here in action and what you can make with it. So be sure to check out the Bernette website for more information, or go to your local Bernette dealer to see my beautiful machine in action. It is on sale now, so I hope you will choose it for your cosplay and fashion items. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more crafting and sewing videos, and I can't wait to see what you make with my machine at the next convention.
Well, I hope that you enjoyed seeing a sneak peek of what you can see at Anime Magic. I'm going to be there with Anna and Ricky, and we are going to have such a good time. I just know it. Our booth will be displaying this machine in person. You can certainly get any kind of tips, advice, show us your costumes, share them with us. We would love to see you. And we also have daily door prizes. So, just come by our booth and check us out. You're not going to be able to miss us because we're in the booth right next to Yaya. So that's it for now. If you want to see more videos, more tutorials, more just information about the store, don't forget to check out our Bernina of Naperville YouTube channel. It's easy. It's youtube.com/Bernina of Naperville, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe. See you at the con.